श्लोका नंबर 21 देहेन्द्रिया गुणान कर्माण्यमले सच्चिदात्मने अध्यस्य त्वविवेकिनां गगने नीलतादिवत् fools because they lack in their powers of discrimination superimpose on the Atma the absolute existence knowledge such as all the varied functions of the body and the senses just as they attribute blue color and the like to the sky. Number 22 अज्ञाना मान सोपाधे कर्तत्व अदीनि चात्मने कल्पयन्ते अम्बुगते चंद्रे चलनादि यथांसा. The tremblings that belong to the waters are attributed through ignorance to the reflected moon dancing on it. Likewise, agency of action, of enjoyment, and of other limitations which really belong to the mind are delusively understood as the nature of the self Atma. Shloka number 23 रागेच्छा सुख दुखादि बुद्धौ सत्यां प्रवर्तते सुषुप्तौ नास्ति तन्नाशे तस्माद् बुद्धेस्तु नात्मना. Attachment, desire, pleasure, pain, etc. are perceived to exist so long as buddhi or mind functions. They are not perceived in deep sleep when the mind ceases to exist. Therefore, they belong to the mind alone and not to the Atma. Shloka number 24 Prakasho Arkasya Toyasya Shaityam Gyenayar Thoshnata Swabhava Sachidanand Nitya Nirmalat Tatmana. Just as luminosity is the nature of the sun, coolness of water, and heat of fire, so too the nature of the Atma is eternity, purity, reality, consciousness, and bliss. Number 25th Atmanaha Sachidanascha Buddhir-vritti Ritidvayam Sanyojya cha vivekena janamiti pravartate. By the indiscriminate blending of the two, the existence, knowledge, aspect of the self and the thought wave of the intellect, there arises the notion of I. 26 Atmano vikriya nasti buddhir bodho na जीवति जीवः सर्वमलं ज्ञात्वा दृष्टेति मुह्यति. Atma never does anything and the intellect of its own accord has no capacity to experience I know. But the individuality in us delusorily thinks he is himself the seer and the knower. Number 27 Rajju Sarpa Padatmanam Jivam Gyatva Bhayam Vahet Na Aham Jive Paratmeti Gyatarshvenir Bhayo Bhavet. Just as the person who regards a rope as a snake is overcome by fear, so also one considering oneself as the ego, jiva, is overcome by fear. The egocentric individuality in us regains fearlessness by realizing that it is not a jiva but is itself the supreme soul. Shloka number 28 Atma vabhas यत येको बुद्धादीनि इंद्रियाणि हि दीपो घटा दिव स्व आत्मा जडैतेनार वभास्यते. Just as a lamp illumines a jar or a pot, so also the Atma illumines the mind and the sense organs, etc. These material objects by themselves cannot illumine themselves because they are inert. 29 Swabodhe nanya bodhecha bodh roop tayatmana na dipasya anya dipecha yatha swatma prakashane. A lighted lamp doesn't need another lamp to illumine its light. So too Atma, which is knowledge itself, needs no other knowledge to know it. Number 30 Nishidhya निखिलोपाधिनेति नेतीति वाक्यता विद्यादैक्यं महावाक्ये जीवात्म परमात्मनो. by a process of negation of the conditionings upadhis through the help of the scriptural statement, it is not this, it is not this, the oneness of the individual soul and the supreme soul, as indicated by the great Mahavakyas, has to be realized.